Okay, look.
Show me my love, oh God, show me sweet love, yeah.
Hello roomies, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, if you can tell by the title, we will be doing the Warhead challenge. I do have my cousin back with me again,
aka Mr. W.
If you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so very much for tuning in. If you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when my videos have been released. So let's get right into the video. So the Warhead challenge is pretty much you have to put all your warheads into your mouth at the same time, and whoever spits them out first is the loser. The warheads I brought today, extreme sour. They didn't have the regular kind. They didn't have atomic sour, so I just picked these up. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do first is pretty much open all of these. He have 14, I have 14. So let's go ahead.
My mouth is like watering too. Straight yellow, my guy.
Okay, so for those of you who do not know what a warhead looks like, this is what it is. They're extremely sour. They come in like a bag like this, and then they're little packets of individuals. So let me go ahead and pull up my sleeves because I know this is going to be all right.
Oh, we just going.
Y'all, my mouth is watering right now.
We just going into it.
Going right into it. We have a garbage. Just sweet mother of pearl. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, good. I'll quit. Okay, look.
Oh, easy.
Big crunchiness. Y'all, that was nasty. That's real nasty.
When you first start, it's hard, but
Yo, top lip sweating, bruh. I was reading on Google, LA Beast. He did 150 Warheads, and he lost his taste buds, and his tongue was bleeding bad. This is. I need something to drink. This is nasty. Scoot up.
You should have got 2 for each person.
What?
You could have got 2 for each person.
To what?
Package. I thought it was gonna be hard, so I did.
I can't taste nothing.
Pretty sure it's gonna go away.
I need to go away now. Put it over there. You just munching on them. Okay, guys. Clearly, this challenge was not for me. Right now, I just drank some cranberry juice, and I can't even... I don't even know... Ugh. I can't even taste it. Like, there's no taste at all. So he took that W.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's 2-1 though, because
I still won.
I got 2 W's. You right.
Let me shine.
You right. So guys, we have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when my next video will be releasing. Until then, see you on my next one.
You just said it? Okay, say it again. Example story.